Quick Media bringing the world closer to your doorsteps.
Sir, what is our take home from the proceeding today, sir?
You will see the AGF people did what we lawyers used to do. I mean, I'll call it legal acrobatic. They have the right to be heard within 5 days, and that is what they are asking for, 5 days. They have 5 days. I think it lapsed today. So they argued it, and the court adjourned till 7th September for hearing of the matter. We expect it.
Sir, what are the processes that they wanted to respond to?
No, I don't see them responding to any process. But it is presumed in law that when you are served, certain days must be given to you to look at what is served on you, whether there is possibility of your response or not. The court will give you what is due to you, and that is 5 days, which they have been given.
And they are seeking for vacation of a particular aspect of
They are seeking for vacation of interim order granted by the court. And you know, when somebody is asking for that type of thing, maybe he wanted to do something in the interim, and the court, in his wisdom, told them that if I should vacate this order and this man is killed, won't you render the eventual judgment nugatory and put the court in the position of helplessness? That's what we did. But we are not here concerned with what is happening here. We are mostly concerned with what is happening in Abuja. When a court of law ordered that 12 people should be released, and the DSS is sitting on that judgment. I think I made a press release, and I reminded the leader of DSS that he should learn from Mago that if you think you are in authority today, tomorrow you may find yourself in the same trap you made for your enemy. And I will implore everybody that is in this government, especially those who are senior advocates of Nigeria, that especially the vice president, who is a senior advocate of Nigeria, Fashola, that is also a senior advocate of Nigeria, that they should not be partakers in the type of government that will not respect the order of the court. These guys have not taken to arms. They've not done anything. We have shown that fundamental human rights involves self-determination. They are merely asking for self-determination. Now, you arrested them. You murdered two where you arrested them. You destroyed house and cars. Yet, they've not taken to arms. They went to court to seek for their fundamental human rights. Court granted them bail. They perfected the bail. DSS now give an excuse that they saw an application by somebody else asking for the same relief. I remember what one man said in 1946. I think it's Martin Nola. He said, they first came for communists. I didn't do anything because I was not a communist. They came for socialists. I was not concerned because I'm not a socialist. They came for Jews. I did not raise my eyebrow because I'm not a Jew. They later came for me, and nobody was there to defend me. The same thing happened to Ogadia, Fanadipodia. He thought he was enjoying himself until the battle was taken to his home. Those in government that are Yorubas, I'm addressing them. This is the time to rise. Don't provoke. Don't provoke. Don't provoke the youths. They have gone to court and they have gotten judgment. Those in DSS detention must be released now. I'm begging now. To release them. Thanks so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you, sir.
Quick Media bringing the world closer to your doorsteps. We are here today at the Ring Road Court.
continue to assist Yoruba, especially the youth of Yoruba.
The Yoruba youth have been, I mean, you've seen what is happening. You heard me when I was saying what I said. They are still for them. The only thing I want to tell you is that the lawyers you see here, we are not for Yoruba nation. All the lawyers you see here, okay, sir, we are not Afenifere. Okay, sir. We love Nigeria. I am a Buharist. If you want to hear, I'm a Buharist. From when I was young, from 1985, I support Muhammadu Buhari, and I support him. I've been hesitated by those who passed out of law school in 1985 for supporting Buhari. We are not here for that. We are here to defend rule of law. Somebody's house was invaded midnight. 2 people were murdered. They didn't do anything again.
Sometimes,
they went to court.
Do you aware
finish,
that?
Please.
Sorry.
They went to court and they got order. Yet you are not releasing them. It's unfair. It's unheard of. That's only what I can say.
I'm sorry, sir. One more question. Do you aware that there are still police brutality still going on in Nigeria now?
I don't know about that.
There is
what I don't know. You are saying that if there's police brutality, all these are disaster tribunals. They have been trying and they are paying compensations. Without police, the only thing you can have is armed robbers and thugs. We have them. We must have them. It's a necessity. So for us to be able to walk freely in the cities and towns, police brutality will stop one day. I have not seen one. The court is there for us to listen.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
Once again, Koiki Media bringing the world closer to your doorsteps. We are still live here in the Court of Law, Ring Road, today being the 30th of August, 2021.
Yorùbá ní ẹgbọ́n mi ẹgbọ́n náà ẹ̀sìn lè pẹ́ aago mẹ́jọ ní kóòtù ń jókòó ẹ bá jẹ́ ẹni tó mọ̀ pé tó mọ̀ ṣẹ́ ìrìnsẹ́ aago méje lọ ẹ̀kẹ́ débi kọ́sí wọn ẹ̀kẹ́ débi kí DSS tó débi DSS máa débi kó wọ́n ti tó ń jẹ́ traffic títí táwa ti ń bọ̀ mọ́nà tán la ti ń bọ̀ ẹ̀kẹ́ ti débi láago méje kó tó ti wọ́n ń di ọ̀nà mọ́ yín lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀kẹ́ ti débi ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní pé ọ̀pọ̀ lọ́mọ náà dò mọ́ ó dá sáwóró lò ó tó parí ẹ̀ ní ọ̀pọ̀ lọ́mọ náà dò mọ́ súnmọ́jọ́ kan ní ó jẹjọ́ kan ìyàwó lọ́ta ẹ̀ parí ẹ̀ ṣe bí wọ́n lẹ́pẹ́ láyé iná máa ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ṣèyí ní ọmọ ọdún sójà ojú èdè tí wọ́n á gbọ́ wọ́n ní ẹ̀tọ́ lábẹ́ òfin fúnjọ́ márùn-ún wọ́n sì ń bèèrè ìjọ márùn-ún wọn ilé ìjọ sì fún wọn níjọ́ márùn-ún tá a bá fún wọn báyìí á jẹ́ ìrìn àárọ̀ ẹ̀kan alẹ́ àwọn òsì lọ́sùn kún lálẹ́ níta bá gbà mí bíi afẹ́ fi sápò dọ́jọ́ alẹ́ ni tó ń láti fún wọn láàyè pé ẹjẹ́ á máa bá wọn lọ́mọ́ tí ń lọ so ìdájọ́ ti fún wọn láàyè ń sìn pé ohun tí wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe ni pé àwọn ọmọ yín kọ̀ wà lábújá fẹ́ gbé wọn lọ sí kóòtù lẹ́nu láti bàbá ohun tí ilé ẹjọ́ sọ jẹ́ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ wọn wọ́n fi ń wá ìkáàkiri wọ́n wá lọ sí kóòtù gbẹ́gbẹ́ Sunday lọ sí kóòtù lẹ́nu gbẹ́gbẹ́ lọ sí kóòtù lọ́la ohun tó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ nílé Sunday wọ́n dáhùn wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ dáhùn agbé lọ sí kóòtù ní òkú kankan ṣe kọ́kọ́ kankan jẹ́ kọ́kọ́ kankan ọdún kò jọjọ́ bíbá irú táwọn ṣe wá gbé lọ́ngbà náà ní ìwà dà ògùn wọn ti ń sọ lọ́hùn wípé ẹ máa gbé mi ìṣó Nàìjíríà mi ò sẹ́ńtẹ̀ tí wọ́n lé ní ilé kútọ́ mi ẹ máa gbé mi ìṣó Nàìjíríà fún wa Nàìjíríà nìkan kò níta bá dé yín sìn ẹnìkan ò lè pamọ́ ẹnìkan ò lè pamọ́ nítorí ṣẹlẹ̀ náà ni pé ẹ̀tún lè fẹ́ tì mọ́lé a tún lọ yọjú kóòtù a sì tún gbà á lẹ̀ torí pé kí ni Sunday àbóníkẹ́ ẹgbẹ́ mọ́ rí.
rárá o ariwo tí wọ́n pa fún wa náà ni pé ká mọ́ gbébọn ká mọ́ bájà ká mọ́ mú nǹkan olóró ká mọ́ báyàn jà.
kọ́sì ìjókòó o tún sọ fún ni pé kẹ́ má báyàn jà kẹ́ má gbébọn tí ẹ yàtọ̀ sí ti Kánú tó ní kán máa yìnbọn so tí ń yàtọ̀ ẹ̀tọ́ ọmọnìyàn yín ẹ lè béèrè kí ló ti bá fẹ́ yàwó tí mo yẹ kó mi ò tí mi dọ́kú mi ò fẹ́ yàwó mi mọ́ ni mi ò fẹ́ mọ́ ni mo ní mi ò fẹ́ yàwó mi mọ́ ẹnìkan ò lè mú mi pé mo ṣe lè pé mo gbọ́dọ̀ mọ̀ fẹ́ tipátipá obìnrin òun ò fẹ́ mi mọ́ ẹ wá ní kó máa lọ lẹ́sẹ̀ olókùn lọ́wọ́ sókún lẹ́sẹ̀ ṣẹ́bọ̀ ní ọ̀pọ̀ so ẹ jẹ́ ká máa ṣe ní sùúrù níwà pẹ̀lẹ́ ọmọ Yorùbá ọmọlúwàbí ni wá àwọn ìpè ìyá wa ló kọ àdéhùn fi pàjì bàbá wa lọ́wọ́ àdéhùn fi pàjì bàbá pé dáàdi ìgbé kọ̀ọ̀pù náà àṣírí ẹ̀ so ẹ jẹ́ ká máa ṣe bá a ti ń ṣe ńdọ́kan
àpéjọ kan.
bẹ́ẹ̀ so wọ́n ti fi sí wọ́n fẹ́ fi Sunday 8 àbí ní 6 and 7 bó ṣe pé ní àgbà kò sí on 7 ẹ wò níjó ní ó fi pé on the 4 la wá bí níjó ní àbí kí lè ní yáàtì so a tún wá lọ́n the 7 níjọ́ kan bẹ̀ tí àkólò lè rọ̀rọ̀ sọmọ́ kí ló tún fẹ́ sọ ìdásàmọ̀ owó rọ bí ó ṣe ń wó lọ ó yá adájọ́ gbọ́dọ̀ fún ìyàlókun tó gùn láti fà sẹ́mọ̀ ọkọ̀ púrọ́ máa dájọ́ pé èmi ò béèrè fún pé kí wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ fọ́kàn Sunday pé fún adájọ́ ló ṣe fún rẹ̀ ìkan tó púrọ́ ń bẹ̀ pé n tán sáàfù òun wọn ò tí sáàfù rárá tí mo sì wá ń bẹ̀ tí bẹ́ẹ̀lì kọ́ọ̀tù fi ń sáfẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀lì kọ́ọ̀tù sì nìkan lọ pé wá so sáàfù àbó ó ní mo sáàfù rẹ̀ o ó jẹ́ kí n sọ fún pé arákùnrin aṣọ tó wọ̀ ìwọ̀n ìfi púrọ̀ so bó ti wà lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ àwọn ẹ̀kọ́ sojú múmu fún ìlú ní àwọn 50,000 máàkù so kúyà wọn ni àwọn náà wó sí ṣùgbọ́n mo kàn pé lọ́tù kọ lọ́hùn Yorùbá ọpọlọ la fi mọ́ jà ọpọlọ mọ̀jàmọ̀sá mo sì ní iye ọdẹ wa wọn ni tó bá dójú ogun oní kò yí wọn ìpẹ́ra wọn lókọ̀ ọpọlọ àwòfìjà tẹ bá rọ ọmọ Yorùbá tí ò lọ lé ìwé rí tẹ bá pélé rè tẹ bá béèrè ẹwọ ọmọwọ ẹwọ gbọ́n táwọn ọmọ kéékèèké ń dá ọpọlọ ní kẹ́ fi jà ẹ má yọ àdá ẹ má yọ bọ́n ẹ lè mú ń dé yín àpò Ọlọ́run bínú sí olóńdè àti àdòwó Ọlọ́run bínú sí tẹ́bá lọ́wọ́ ẹ lo nǹkan yín
ìgbẹ́ náà lápò ó wà lápò
bàǹtẹ́ pẹ́tẹ́ fi sọ̀rọ̀ àṣẹ lásẹ̀nu ẹ tẹ́ bá ẹ̀mú òfin ọmọ ogun yẹn lè nàyàn ló ń dè yẹn
lè gbá yẹn ló ká
ò ní gba style ní gbòó ọkà sí báyìí wọ́n gbà lọ́wọ́ mú láti lè gbà báyìí wọ́n sọ pé ọ̀la ha onínú gbọ́dọ̀ pẹ́ gbé fún ìkọ́lé adẹ́kẹ́ gbòòrò igbó
máa ń lọ. bàbá ǹjẹ́ òfin tó wà nílẹ̀ láti lè sọ́sọ́ ń kọ́ntínú lọ.
wọ́n ti ní wọn gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe nǹkan kan lórí ẹ̀ wọn gbọ́dọ̀ fọ́ọ̀kan lé ẹ̀ wọn gbọ́dọ̀ súnmọ́ lé ẹ̀ wọn gbọ́dọ̀ fọ́ọ̀kan wọn gbọ́dọ̀ pa wọn gbọ́dọ̀ nílára.
àti gbogbo àwọn alátẹ̀lé.
kò sẹ́ni tán gbọ́dọ̀ fọ́ọ̀kan.
ìgbọ̀ntà fẹ́ gbọ́ nìyẹn.
kò sí ìyẹn tí wà ń bẹ̀.
Koiki Media bringing the work closer to other steps once again. Today being the 30th of August 2021, we are still live here at the Court of Law. We are still here at the Court of Law, Ring Road, Nìbàdàn. Àwọn DSS location 419, wọ́n ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ lọ ní ìsìn. And the case has been adjourned to the 7th.
ìdájọ́ tó ń dá ní Àbújá torí ìdájọ́ náà gbogbo àti ìdájọ́ Ìbàdàn àti ìdájọ́ Àbújá àti Kútọ́nù so ìdájọ́ Àbújá yẹn gangan ni nǹkan tó ń bà wá nínú jẹ́ tó dẹ̀ ń dùn wá tá a dẹ̀ fẹ́ kí àwọn àjọ DSS kán mọ̀ wípé wọ́n ti fẹ́ da democracy irú à ń practice democracy ni ǹjẹ́ democracy là ń practice because tabala ń practice democracy a gbọ́dọ̀ ilá ò gbọ́dọ̀ ga ju onírè lọ agbófinró kò lè lágbára ju ilé ẹjọ́ lọ ilé ẹjọ́ dájọ́ pé kán fi àwọn èèyàn wa kán mú sílẹ̀ àwọn èèyàn wa kán mú sílẹ̀ ilé ẹjọ́ dájọ́ pé kán fi àwọn èèyàn wa kán mú sílẹ̀ ẹ̀yin agbófinró ẹ lọ dè wọ́n mọ́lẹ̀ mú wọn ṣe dájú ilé ẹjọ́ lọ ni tá má rò pé ìran Yorùbá gọ̀ tàbí tá má rò pé a dákẹ́ dídákẹ́ wa amọ̀ntànṣe o dídákẹ́ wa amọ̀ntànṣe o so ti yé bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn so àwa rọ̀ àjọ DSS a rọ̀ wọ́n ni kí wọ́n dákun àwọn èèyàn wa tó wà ní Àbújá yẹn kán bá wa fi wọ́n lẹ̀ lẹ́yìn ọ̀sọ́ka kán bá wa fi wọ́n lẹ̀ àfẹ́ ìjà àfẹ́ ìdàlúrú ṣùgbọ́n kí wọ́n rí i pé kí wọ́n rárí dájú pé àwọn tẹ̀lé òfin kán mọ́ rúfin tọ́ra àwọn náà ò fẹ́ rúfin so a rọ̀ wọ́n ní o kí wọ́n jọ kán bá tú àwọn èèyàn wa lẹ̀.
Kókó ọ̀rọ̀ náà ni ẹ ti gbọ́ yẹn. Today being the 30th of August 2021, Koiki Media bringing the world closer to your doorstep. Ẹ̀gbọ́n bàbá ni ẹ ti rí tí àwọn náà sọ̀rọ̀ ní ìsìn lórí gbogbo ohun tí ó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí.
báwo ni ẹ ṣe ń lọ sí láìpù lórí
Fún ẹ̀yin tí ẹ join wa, thank you very much once again. Koiki Media bringing the world closer to your doorsteps. Today being the 30th of August 2021. Ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ ti gbọ́ láti ẹnu bàbá wa lọ́yà Aliu, pàápàá jùlọ àwọn èèyàn tí ó wà ń bí báyìí náà. The court case has been adjourned to the 7th. Pẹ̀lú ògo Ọlọ́run àwa la máa borí. Thank you very much for joining us live. Have a wonderful time. Have a wonderful day.